Hi
Hello.
Megha. Hi.
Hi. Good morning, Shiv. How are you?
Very good morning. I am doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine as well. I think you missed your yesterday's session.
Actually, I tried to cancel it and they said that it was cancelled, but still I got a message that it
Mhm.
was there something.
Okay, okay. So you got a confirmation that it's been cancelled?
Yeah, I got a confirmation from customer support.
Okay, okay. So apparently not. It was still reflecting on my portal actually.
Okay, I'm sorry for that.
Hey, no problem. Not your fault. That's okay. So yes, what are you up to these days?
I am up to learning new things every single day and implementing them in my life.
Okay. Like what some of the things, do you have this habit of, learning one new thing every day? Do you do that?
Yeah, I work on being 1% better every single day because at the end of the year I will be 37.8% better.
Wow. So you know the statistics also. You're good with the stats.
No, no, I'm not good with stats. Actually, it's a
Mhm.
quote where
Okay.
1.01 to the power 365
Okay.
is equal to 37.8 percentage. So if we get better 0.1% every single day,
Yes.
in 365 days we will be 37.8% better.
Okay. And the self-improvement activities that you do, is it related to just your personality or any other skills that you're developing? You said you're into graphic designing also, right?
Yeah, it involves overall aspect. I make sure that every day I am uncomfortable to some extent, and I like to be uncertain in my life because
Really?
uncertainty is what helps you grow,
Okay.
and it teaches you anything. And your comfort zone won't teach you anything. It will.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you on that. The human brain is designed to keep the person in the comfort position, right? So if there is any kind of change, the brain tries to resist it, and it
Yeah.
becomes our job to get out of the comfort zone. So it takes a lot of effort. I understand. Okay. So are you a risk taker? Do you like taking risks pretty often?
I love taking risk every single second.
Wow.
Yeah. If I had to, like, there is a site called as where we meet some random people. Even though
Okay.
I was not comfortable in like getting to talk to random people, I just
Okay.
visited that site so
Mhm.
that that fear is gone.
That's nice. What is the name of this site?
Omegle.com. It's a
Oh
free
my God.
random meeting site.
Okay, that's cool. So, did you get a chance to meet some interesting strangers on that platform?
Yeah, yeah, there were some interesting strangers all over the world, and also I met some
Okay.
famous influencers accidentally.
Oh, that's cool. Who all did you meet?
So I don't exactly like remember their name, but I when I checked their name on YouTube, they had around 1 lakh following,
Okay.
and they came there just
Wow,
to
that's great.
record some random videos of weird reactions, those kind of things.
Oh, okay. So that's cool, right? People do weird stuff, huh? But it's
Yeah,
fun, it's entertaining. Yeah. It makes life a lot more interesting, I feel.
yeah, very true. We should like keep doing such weird things.
Yes. It also keeps the child in us alive, right? If we do all these kind of activities, I think it helps you retain that childlike enthusiasm, that curiosity, so which is very important.
Yeah, in the end, all
Mhm.
of us aim to be happy, and yeah, for that we have to do
Absolutely.
all these things because in the end we should not feel that we missed out in some part of our life.
Yes, correct. And what is the riskiest activity that you've done in your life so far?
So when it is this recently I can remember of is
Mhm.
taking some loan from my sister and investing it on one huge course, which was
Okay.
very important for my self development, and it was worth the risk because I made the money more than I spent over it because of the tension and the pressure I had on me to return it to my sister.
Wow, Shiv, that's very inspiring. Like, so you already got the return on that investment. You finished the course and you applied it and got the return as well.
I didn't finish complete course, but whatever I learned from it, I implemented it and got more returns than what I invested in that.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so happy for you. What was, if you don't mind me asking, what was that course?
So this course was Sell Like Crazy.
Mhm.
He is a mentor from India
Oh,
who
okay,
teaches how to sell yourself or sell anything. So
okay. So,
before joining this, I had no idea how to sell, or I even was uncomfortable talking to strangers to sell any of my product.
mm-hmm.
But he just changed my mental state, and it was
Okay.
a completely different thing for me, right?
Wow, that's great. So, this is one of the advantages for me being on Clapping OK, because I get to meet people like you, and even I end up learning a lot of things. So, yeah, I just felt I can share that. Yeah. And do you plan to, enroll yourself into more such courses, even though they are expensive? Do you plan on investing a little more in the future?
Yeah. I never think this kind of investment as expense. These
Mm-hmm.
are these are like my like investment, which gives
Mm-hmm.
me 10x more returns.
Yes, true,
If
true.
for example, I have invested in Clappingo, and
Mm-hmm.
it is improving my confidence and English speaking day by day,
Okay.
and this will lead me to some more professional deals in the future.
Yes, absolutely. Your personality will be well groomed, right?
Yeah.
And your personality will shine across. That's true. And at any point in life, have you regretted taking any risk? You thought it'll pay off, and you put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it, but then it didn't pay off. Has that ever happened?
There has been many such incidents, but I don't regret any of it because
Mhm.
everything I don't consider anything as failure. I either learn from it or I get something out of it.
Correct.
So if
Correct.
I
That's
make
true.
some mistakes, I learn from it and I will never do that again.
Mhm.
And it could be in worse than that. So
Yeah.
some incidents
Uh,
are like someone offering me some job,
mhm.
like and
Yeah.
he wanted me to invest some security deposit,
Yes.
and I did that, and
Okay.
then he blocked me.
Oh my God, that's so sad.
So it happened in a small like small size, but it could be worse.
It could have been worse.
It could have been worse. So
Yes, true. Good, good. It's a good philosophy to have, especially the thing that you said. If we are doing any activity, either we get some gain from it, in the form of success, or we get something in return in the form of learning, right? So either there is success or there is a lot of learning there.
yeah,
So yeah, recently I watched a YouTube video. Okay, there is one channel called as Women of Impact. In that, um, I saw an interview of a lady called Radhi Shetty. Have you
I
heard of
know
her?
her, Jay Shetty's wife.
Yes, yes, yes. So now she's also an Ayurvedic recipe developer, and she's come into her own. She's doing very well. So I had seen one of her interviews and on that channel, and she said the same thing, that if we are doing something, either we learn from it or we get success. So either
Maybe
one of
all
them.
these influencers had an impact on my mind, and I am talking
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. I think you're talking from your own experience, right? Because you have been through certain things and it's your experience, I can
Yeah,
say.
experience plus
Yeah.
learning from these people.
Hmm. Yes. So when it comes to risks, there are two types. One is a calculated risk. You weigh the pros and cons of any situation and then you take the plunge. And sometimes it's just very spontaneous. You just feel like doing it and without thinking, you go for it, right?
Yeah.
So which one do you prefer?
I prefer calculated risk, but to be very honest, my default setting is for non-calculated risk. because there
Okay.
is something in the market which will
Mhm.
which might give you some major returns, and
Mhm.
most of the time I almost grab that,
Okay.
fearing missing out,
Fear of missing out, FOMO.
fear of missing out, yeah, FOMO.
Okay. Okay. That's
And
nice.
most of those
Mhm.
decisions were right.
Good for you. Good for you. If most of them have paid back, then what more can we ask for, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. And if someone comes to you for advice that, hey Shiv, I'm planning to, quit my job and I want to start something of my own. What do you think about it? It's a huge risk. So what advice would you give them?
If like you someone asked me it like a year back or
Mhm.
something, I would have said, yeah, go for it. But right now I won't suggest that. I suggest that
Okay.
they do it side by side,
Okay.
because if you're really interested, you will make
Mhm.
time for that side hustle. So
Absolutely.
so you can like manage
Yes.
both of this thing, and when only when that side hustle outperforms your
Mhm.
full-time job earning, you can quit your job,
Yes.
or you can drop out from your education,
Correct.
if that is required, but you can finish your education. Even I have one more
Mhm.
year left, and I will be finishing my
Yeah.
engineer.
Mhm. Okay, good, good. Whatever you said, it makes a lot of sense. It's a very logical advice to give to someone. Yeah, it's a very sane advice. So, in the heat of the moment, sometimes people do end up taking these decisions, and there are chances that they might regret it. So, good. It's important to have a side hustle, right? So, I think these are all things that you are also doing right now, correct?
Yeah, I am
You're
doing this.
studying and you're working on so many different things.
I was about to quit my education, but thank God I didn't do
Hmm,
that, because I just have one year
okay.
left and I will finish it.
Mhm. Yes, who advised you? Who gave you this advice?
I didn't hear it from someone, but I wanted to do it because I had so many opportunities of full time, and
Oh.
it was like offering me some crazy offers, and they really liked me, my work and everything,
Mhm.
and they wanted me to be their full time writer,
Employee.
designer, video editor. Yeah,
Oh, cool. So even I would suggest complete your education, right? And then you can do your post graduation if you're interested in something. You can develop your skills even more if you're interested. Yeah. Because a good qualification, it does catch the attention of a lot of people, especially in our country. If you are qualified, people will definitely notice you.
yeah.
Correct. And can you tell me some pros and cons of taking a risk? Can you give me two advantages and two demerits?
So when you take a risk, uh, in the end, when you are about to die,
Mhm.
you will feel proud of yourself that
Okay.
you at least did something rather than procrastinating.
Yes.
So that's one major
Yes.
advantage I see for myself. So apart from that,
Mm-hmm.
only in some risk there is some great
Hmm.
returns.
Yes.
Comfort
True.
zone won't offer you anything.
Correct.
So if I take the disadvantage, there will be always chances of failure in risk.
Yes. That is the
But
definition of risk. Yeah. Either profit or loss.
that what makes it beautiful,
Hmm.
because in life, if it is a straight line, that means you are
Yeah.
dead. If it is like this, that means you are alive. In case of hospital, that meters.
Yes. 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 I don't know what it's called, but I get your point. So if our heart is still beating, the lines are all up and down. Na?
Yeah.
Wow. That's so nice. Okay, great, great, Shiv. Love to know all your philosophies in life and your opinion on risk taking. Even I got to learn a lot of things as well. And coming to the grammar part of it, only two things. I must say that your grammatical errors have reduced to a great extent. There were not many errors except for one or two. Okay. First of all, you said these kind of investment. Whenever you say these, it is plural, right? Something that's close to you and many. So these kind of investments. Okay. So it will be a plural. If you're talking about singular investment, it will be this kind of an investment. Okay.
This kind of
This
an
kind of an
investment.
investment. Yeah. These, otherwise, if it's plural, these kind of investments.
Okay.
Yeah. And you said there has been many. I don't remember the full
There have
sentence. You
been
said
many.
perfect. Yeah. That's how it is. There have been many. Just small things, right? I think I'm pretty sure you will work on these, and by the time we speak next time, I don't think I'll find any mistakes at all. So
Oh,
good to see the improvement from our first session to this. There's a great improvement. So yeah, keep at it.
thank you.
And yeah, what else? What else are you? What else have you lined up for today?
So, so yesterday I had some uncomfortable, like risky moments, but it had great returns. So I had to talk to
Okay.
some corporate clients, and they would like offer me some huge projects. So
Okay.
I had a choice either
So
to
as in,
back off or to talk to them on
Mhm.
phone, and
uh, okay,
I chose to,
and you
like,
decided to speak to them.
yeah, I decided to speak to them because even though I was uncomfortable, I decided to speak to them and work on my fears.
Okay. Okay, that's a great attitude to have in life. I'm sure it's going to take you places, this kind of an attitude, because most of the people, they're very scared of, getting out of their comfort zone or doing anything, or they spend all their lives just planning and not really doing. So good to see that you're implementing all these philosophies in your life. Yeah.
Learn, apply, and share.
Okay. Absolutely correct. Learn, apply, and share. Okay, it was a pleasure talking to you. Is there anything else you want to ask
That's about
or
it.
share?
I enjoyed having conversation with you.
Me too, me too. I must say it was very enlightening for me also. Okay. So thank you. Okay, Shiva. Can we wrap up the session then?
Yeah, we can wrap up this session.
Okay. Take care. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Megha.